notorious Penguin was orchestrating a sinister scheme, plotting to dispose of barrels filled with toxic gas, a product of his latest criminal endeavor. But just as they were about to tip the first barrel into the water, a shadow loomed from above. Not so fast, Penguin, Batgirl called out as she swung down from a nearby rooftop, landing with grace and determination. The Penguin's eyes widened in surprise. His henchman charged at her, but Batgirl was ready. With swift, precise movements, she dodged and countered their attacks. With the henchman out of the way, Batgirl turned her focus back to the Penguin, who was frantically trying to roll a barrel away. "You think you can escape so easily?" she taunted, closing the distance between them. "Out of my way, Batgirl," the Penguin shouted, pulling out a remote control. With the push of a button, this entire operation goes underwater. In a flash, she hurled a batarang, knocking the remote from his hands. "Not today, Penguin," she declared, summoning her grappling hook to secure him in place. As the Penguin struggled, Batgirl reached for the barrels, using her tech to identify the toxic contents. "Gotham deserves better than this. You won't poison our city." Just as the sounds of sirens began to echo in the distance, Batgirl stood tall, hands on her hips, as the Penguin glared at her. "You may have stopped me this time, Batgirl," he sneered, "but I'll be back." With the toxic waste safely secured and the Penguin thwarted, Batgirl turned to the officers. "Let's keep Gotham clean," she urged.